What would happen if Goku would be known as the strongest? Let's find out. Oh yeah, this is what he looks like. Let's find out what he looks like. Alright, first we start with the eyes. Then we move on to the facial features. Now, if Goku was known to be the strongest being, he would have the Ultra Instinct powers merged with the abilities of the Omni King. His hair would be Super Saiyan standing on end. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Just like Super Saiyan. Here is the special mark on his chest. Don't get me wrong, guys. I just want the characters on these episodes to feel appreciated. Each one of my episodes are to help them feel special. That's why I do this. Here are the lightning bolts. Next, we draw the fist. Rising fist. Shoot! Just grab that. Got it. Here is the special pants that he wears. This is what he looks like after he turned into an Ultra Instinct transformation. Here are the Super Saiyan. Here's the transformation suit. Here are the lightning bolts. I bet he can launch a huge spirit bomb in this form. You remember Omni Goku? Well, what would happen if this was his actual form? I've only seen this in a picture once. This would be the ultimate transformation. Here are his shoes. One last thing to draw up, and that's the Ultra Instinct aura that surrounds him. And there he is. That is what Goku looks like after he's become the strongest. Stronger than everyone. Stronger than Grand Zeno. By the way, we haven't seen Zeno's Supreme Battle form. I bet this would be what he looks like. Anyway, just let me know what fighter you want me to draw next. Well, to be honest, there are only a few episodes left before the year ends. The final episode is coming nearer than your thoughts. Anyway, it's coming nearer than your thoughts. Anyway, be sure to check out the Dragon Ball playlist. And be on the lookout for more fighters like this coming your way. Stegosaurus, see you later. And get ready, the finale's coming tomorrow.